Left that alone. Dark cat me name, brother, and 9 life me have. You think me easy if you dead? That not go happen. That will never happen. Brother, we not say, Jizzy are not good youth, you know. You know me I deal with? Jizzy a good youth, man, but you know. That man come on the side, come see me, you know, brother. Remember when you know say my name, long time. Long time, but is that all over we go, we make people happy. All places we go, we make people laugh till them drop down. Them took me a from day one from my grandfather dead. You understand me, brother? We can't remember when we do this. Yes, it's alright. It don't out there to no spotlight. It just in our circle. We have it. You understand me, brother? This a man you come on site with him phone, come put it pan with. Why him do that? Because he's a little man we have a little YouTube knowledge. Of some little YouTube something I go on with by himself the long time, you know? Yeah, so him do that and him laugh and him get him fun from it when him get the so that work site that day. You understand me? Him go up a film yard with it and watch it and tell himself, say, boy, this thing nice, him a post it on him little YouTube thing. But to where him see it go, him tell himself, say, him have to come back, come tell me. You understand me? How much the people them love it and love me. So me I said, nothing wrong with that. Congratulate to the people them. Big them up, man. But I say, I go one piece more video. I say, I don't really depend that today, but he must say, yeah, man, this can benefit me and you. I say, okay, me we think about it, you know. Can me not give him still come back him want it. I say, all right, brother. Me I go give you another video. And I do so, and I boom, and I shot him another chat. You understand me? And I saw hit a rip. Everywhere I go, people tell me, say, yeah, I see you this, and I see you that, and I hear this, and I hear that. I say, okay, it a connect. You understand me? Me and I got a roll, and we a roll, and I give him talk, and I give him talk, and I give him talk, and him a post talk. You understand me? One night time, the man look at me and said to me, say, you know, say, you go want a page like a YouTube page and Instagram and rare. You see, alright, boom, we go over the site and we do so boom and we line up with him and we deal with the sitting. Part of cat page kick off. You know where God come back and say to me, say, in a couple days, my page I go kill feed. I say, but at the end of the day still, I don't really understand for monitor this. So here where you go to know, just put it in a one and deal with it. As a loyal youth car. No say go car, if we can't see this I go so far now, we no must can go further. So just put it in a one and make we work together then, brother. Alright. We gotta trackle down the road all along the way, all along the days and the years them. Nothing blood clot go on, you know. All you see me I go all a Clarendon and have some place for some show. I not get no YouTube money, you know, God. And that time I quarrel, me have to start quarrel with the man. The man come in with a lick up his butter. Say rating. I say, alright, Virgin, you're real. Money I run, you know? Well, long time some people tell me, say, yo, cat the man I collect money long time and nah give you none. I say, brother, I left the man alone, man. You understand me? Me have to defend the man. Me have take up for the man. Straight, me have take up for the man. Me nah left out the man, brother. Nobody can tell me nothing about the man. Remember good. The man a go on and little money a come in and me a get little money and we a do it thing and we a go on and me a get little work out there and me a do me thing. Remember good enough. Me do all my research and find say this man a thief me. Me turn to this man and tell him, say brother, you know long me and you a fight with this and a struggle with this till you can manifest to making money. Why you have to do this? No. You greedy more than nobody else. We go to the extreme where people look upon the man and say, Jizzy, out of cat earning, you're supposed to get 10%. Right? Cat earning, Jizzy, I get half. Loud and plain people. Jizzy, I get half and more because Jizzy have all the access to the money, the page, for do anything. Post anything for people and collect as him like. Do as him like, him have the page access to all the money. Me just talk, make Jizzy get video and post. No, Jizzy fi loyal with me.
Sure.
Me wrong or me right, people. No, Jizzy fi loyal with me.
You're right.
Alright. Me say Jizzy, ya scratch with blood clot, me no God, cause me and ya deal with a little thing and me find say one little fuck with did it. Me say, what happened to the vehicle where we are run, God? Cause remember you did come to me and tell me, say, the people them say, they must sell you the machine for your X price. Are you a handle the money, God? Remember, say, when you come and give me for me the piece of butter, you know, tell me, say, cat, 200 for pay upon the car. Or 300, because you don't take it already and I do where you are. Do say just give me where you are. Give me. That time I said, Jizzy, how the car I go? How it a pay for? How the car I go? Him said the brother who own the car say him never know say me, him Jizzy, I be the manager for. And the brother rate me. Me not know about that. Him said the brother say, we fi drive car till him ready for car I go now. Say, okay, that not sound good, but me a look. One at a time, me turn to the man again and me say, brother, what happened to this car? How it a go? Him tell me, say, I'm Chinese girl. I give money to pay for the car and him to stay upon the road. Me say, Jizzy, oh, you man, fair give you money. To pay for the car, for you carry me up and down all over the world, for go make money. Then that woman a idiot. Eh? Remember, he couldn't give $1,000 when we never have none. We do one liquor dirt. And now we might go pay for car when you can't pay for car yourself, me and you. Looking at the maths now, man. You see what I say? Alright. Him say, Arere, me tell him say, hear me now, remember good. Him say, me not to bother with that. So me say, then what go happen now? No thief, ya thief me man. Or rob, ya rob me, no what go on now? We do. We make everything mesh back with me and him. You understand? Cause him no want to lose me. Me say, me I go tell your father and your mother. Him say, no, him no want it happen. Me say, alright. Left me there, sir. Pay me back my money where you rob me. Him say, yes, him agree if you pay me back my money where you rob me. Where dear? Me don't know what happened, you know. But me find myself and make $1. Where me can say, brother, you no come round me. Cause we were go so and we are go so and we are go so. So instead of me and him alone up and down, me and Uno and him can up and down. Alright. We up and down all over these fucking places, you know, remember good, you know, man. Hills and valley, you know, brother. Remember good, you know, we and Jizzy only. And we do all the videos them we can make. Those video paying me and Jizzy only. We and Jizzy no know how no heat, how no pot go up on fire. We no know how no buy soap for beard. We are carrying through all these hills and valleys these days. Me turn one at the time and me say, brother, you don't think them man have to get one little piece of butter? Give me one piece of butter now, me put something pan it and give the man them where they round with. Him say yes, but him have no money. Like him would have said, tomorrow when him come back now. Yeah. Yes, him come and him give me one little piece of butter. Me say, so you had this? So me put that amount pan it then. But when me look, me say that amount, if me put that amount pan it, that still I go water down. So me just give money till me feel satisfied. We do round me. You understand me, God? Me just give the man your money, give the man their money, give the man the, give the man the, give the man the, give the man the, give the man, give him. Yeah, till me feel satisfied. So your man get a money. You understand me, brother? Alright. From that, me tell myself, say, me won't be asking that man $1 to give nobody round with. And we've been going all over same way. Doing videos. Anywhere we go, anything for buy, me no hitch, me pop out and me ask him what him want. You understand me, brother? That must him same good. And we buy and we drink and we eat him and feel money just like me, you know. But remember all the money when me a spend, I have to give we the strength to make video, to make money, you know. For me and him, you know. Remember good, you know, man. So for him remarks that is him that him now spend out fee money. He must save it. Me not have a problem with that. No, nothing bad him say. No. But at the same time, you have to spend for gain. You understand me, brother? Me and you alone couldn't do this. So make we catch up them mats, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Little money have to run around the people them too, man. Yeah, man. We not give the God them no money, we not pay them. But we have to make them comfortable round way. Nothing wrong with that. If me go out and say, brother, no buy one case of beer. Buy one bottle of Campari. You know what I say, brother? We sit down and we drink, buy some herbs. We left here and we stop down with the food and we say we get some food, we eat and we pay and we left. Nothing wrong with that? Anything wrong with that, brother? No, what wrong with that? What the bad energy where Jizia get round we? What the bad energy where Jizia get round we? So now when the man now come round we know and now get no video, the people them have said, Jizzy, what happened? Make we now get no video from Cat. The man mother see me in the market and said, Cat, how long this time now I don't see any video with you? Me say you have to ask Jizzy me. Him have the car, him have the camera. Me only talk. Jizzy, we just need to come on my foot. Nothing more me can do to make Jizzy get video. Jizzy have the car and him have the camera. Where Jizzy fi do? When need fi do now? Tell me the rest. The people them, everybody supposed to know the rest where Jizzy fi do. Don't it? Yeah. All right. Nothing. Me call him, tell him so we are go up there so go fix up one little wall for the blind man. Him forward. Me say, you know, me not hold this no longer. Jizzy, the people them say, Lee cause too much bad word in the video them. Right? And them now say bad Cat in the video them. What happened? Him sit down with him head hold down a ground. Yes, I made it there, I start talk. Me machine chip in, me a talk. Everything start reason now. No man now cuss him. No man now run him. You understand me? Yeah. Me just show him the bad them or him bad amongst we. You understand me, sir? Just like that, me I show the man plain and straight, you know, God. We left, so we go up as Reggae Fall. We go up a Reggae Fall and we buck a little old man. The man was there on a riverside like this. A cook, round on fire. Where we turn to the man and said to the man, say, we come here so come buck you up, but we are going to come back, come visit you, because we don't like how you look here, so. You know? Yes. So the man say, yes, thank you. We say, yeah, man, that is a promise. Me and Jizzy, only man in the team making money from this thing, what we doing. Every man I make them own money outside, otherwise we don't have nothing to do with that. No have nothing to do with me and Jizzy. And me and you will make money from this. Don't it, sir? Right. Then now, it come back to the day where we have to go back up at St. Thomas, go look for the man, yeah. Remember good enough? You see when we reach back up at St. Thomas, them say the man sick and gone, a doctor. Where you tell yourself, say, me should have just turned my car and drive, come down, and left the man and look for the man. And the man me come for look for. Tell me now. And as long as we up at St. Thomas, Jizzy don't talk. Remember good where they did it, you saw. As long as the day he's on with their St. Thomas, that man not talk. And me say, oh no, you what? Me not left till the man come from hospital. And him me come visit. So you see who hungry and can't wait. Get a little snack in the shop and go and eat something. So till we're ready to go down, we stop at the first food place and we're gonna get some food, don't it? Alright. Me still a brace and I drink some beer and I wait on the man. It was a curfew time. Corona season, brother. Them say no taxi, no out there. We have nearly 3-4 cars with foot. Me say to a youth said, tell Jizzy, say, go for the man out there, so. Or give Father the key, make him go for the man and forward. Jizzy remarks was, make Bud go. Bud a who? Who is Bud? We buy Bud car. We buy car, give Bud. We are pay Bud a month time. Tell me now, no man. But them video where we are do today now, you know, I go make Jizzy make money. Cause them I go post on the page and him I go get views. So as of him money a come. Then go for the man, no man. Go for the man, no God. Why problem if you go for the bumbo clot man? Tell me now, what hard in that for go for the man? The man left. After me I explain up there, so I tell him, say, and something that you do, you know, Jizzy. The man left, drive out, left way up there, look about the wall for the blind man. Me Ray and me Tay. And him mother call. Say, him want to see me. Because he want to know where me and Jizzy have. Remember from where me I come from with the reasoning, you know. Me never tell you know that one day, and I tell him mother, you know. Say, Jizzy, I do me them, there's something there, you know, God. Me been walking down pan it and covering it up for Jizzy. Remember good, you know, man? What that for you go tell your mother? So me say, all right. Meet with mommy, 2 o'clock a evening. Call him and make him come meet with. Mommy say, him can't get in. Me say, mommy, you see what me I tell you about? Him is a manager for me. Him don't have a contact phone, either him dash it to him detail or him sell it. What make you no buy back one? You no need to get no contact then. What make you no buy back one? Then how me contact them a go. How them a go? Then I saw you take me local. Eh? So how them a go now? Who I go call and ask? The man sit down there so me a talking and me say, Jizzy, if you can't manage, talk. Remember you have this YouTube something I do already. You have to edit video. You have to go there so go upload and you have post. You want me get one little agent who can do the booking agent work. And we give him little percentage. Nothing wrong with that. He is somebody work off of you know God. What wrong with that? The man no want do that. But you want to ignore me link them. So how me I got make it? Oh, I remember you thief that little way I come in for me and you are ready, you know. And me still good with you so much. Eh? Then you know make the link go get wider, man. Where you hold back the rascal link them for? Why you sell your phone? Why you give it? Why you dash away? Then you know buy back another one, man. Look how much me buy. Buy back another phone, oh God. So whether sure you say, yeah, ignore the whole fucking settings of the thing, man. So as son now make me have to tell him mother say, since you don't get him for forward, this 2 o'clock as on us, me I go forward a man in a pine there. So me go up there. Simple. So now, mommy I want to know what is happening. Me say, mommy, me think him did tell him. Make him tell him. Him start tell mommy how him can't take the news carry him and then bring him in tea, man. So me say, what kind of news carrying? Tell me now. Tell me, just explain the news carrying to me. Who says something about you or what? Not more than the rascal boy just feel to say, who no tell me say my thief me? Wish him no know say all know me no tell you no cause me did tell you no already you know that nyam him. And that me no want to happen. So him just tell himself say who no carry news pan him to me. So me say no sir, not for me brother them will love you so and rate you so like God to pussy clot. You understand me? And I no ask if the man them no rate the youth you know brother. All my sister them are foreign everybody rate the man you know. And me always try to keep with that youth. You know, so when me start tell the man mother now, what happened? Where you think the man a do? I deny it now in front of him, mother. Yes. tell me say a big lie me left down a me yard come up here now I tell pan you. Me tell him say yeah me no jizzy. Don't make me a yard not make me get back my money. Him mother say come cat. Me a gonna make an agreement with you for you get back your money. This morning now him a go tell me say him no rob me no money. Him mother tell him say him just a help out a city. Help out your blood clot. Help out you from no dead. Or that him a help out. So what you tell me say? You no thief me no money? Hear me no man, don't make me have nothing brother, cause you are going to tell people on YouTube now and Instagram say, them fi open up eye. And look, fi what? Where my brother them a do you? Where them a do you? Them a shorten your money? Where them a beg you? Where them a take from you? We and you are real brethren, you are promoter to me. My brother them are coming like local to you. You understand me? And me and you, my brother, then got rascal country go drive. All about and make video for you make money. And my brother left him shirt in your car. The man and the people, them say, Jizzy, you know, see one shirt left in the car. Him say, no. The man wife see him and ask him, you know, see Brooks's shirt left in the car. Him say, no. Me turn to him and ask him, say, Jizzy, you know, see Brooks left one shirt in the car. The man said, no. All done. We forgot about shirt. Cause that have rascal, nothing. That last a bush. Yeah, man. That done with. When we look, we see the man in the blood clot shirt per video. Pose up so. Nobody no say nothing. We're there with the party now when visitor forward away. Now the man that come in a brother shirt. Pose up so in a brother shirt and say, you're bad a cat manager. Then you can buy one shirt. That's a shirt there. Then let y'all let blood clot me down, God. Or let y'all let me down, man. Why take you for no say the shirt left in the car? Where you take you out carrying in your house for?
We ain't now wear the same thing.
Where you carry it in your house? So make it stay in the car till you come back at them boy foot. Which one now you left one shirt in the car? See it here? What hard in that? You take it out, carry, go wash, put up in for your clothes. Yeah, woman? And two man call you and tell you, say, Jizzy, you know, say that not look good. Because we could have approached in the crowd for the man shirt. The man picnic did you know. The man grand picnic, the man wife did it. The man tree picnic did it. Them know them father shirt. Suppose we never loyal. We know that embarrassing I crowd is so God. You know the man shirt, man. So we just call you and make you know, say, here what God. You know, say that shirt that we have on, a rare.
So it's a kind of feeling.
Then now you are going to say, yes, you feel, say the shirt and a fear, but you like it still. What kind of Batman something them do? We legal and big on that, man. We're not supposed to wear one another clothes, man. What kind of broke blood clot life them they are come around the star with? What that? Then the man, they don't ask you about the shirt, so that I liberate the thief. Why you never talk, so you see the shirt in the car and you take it out, put it in the house. And you don't know what happened, God. He could have mixed up in some shirt in the house. Same time you buck it up, me give you back. Where the bumbo hole, you tell the man them you don't see it, but you see it, you put it on. Then who are the bumbo hole now? Tell me now who are the pussy. Tell you two people them when me ever do you. Look how me big you up and turn you in a star, just like how you turn me in a star. So why you have to scratch so much? But what happened to you, so? Eh? And me always a weird on your thing and you go on now and I go tell people now about you can't take bad energy when you come around. What the bad energy more? You shame. You just fucking shame. You can't consider your society of me again. I just that the bad energy rasta, you know, just fucking shame. Just be a man in yourself now. And just let go the bad blood clot energy where you have. And come amongst Bada Cat and be a real man. What more we want from you? Brother, we don't want no money from you. We don't want no love. We're full of love. One family are we? Full of love. Remember, we don't want no money. I say we don't want no money. We don't want no love. Just be yourself amongst we, brother. And make we respect you and look up to you like a real youth amongst we. Can never make me pour a blood clot Brooksy. This morning when me tell him one, when me know him do, here where God look for me and said to me, I have to go back towards the gas while him do it. Remember good on me and you put two grand each and buy the blood clot gas, go and come back, man. So if they go there and make one money, why make you not give me the half of the money? Wish me, I said to him, say, yo, God, remember, you know, it's a jingles me going in a place, go there, you know. You not put not even camera upon me.
Yeah.
You see what I say? So why you thief me money?
Bad
Eh?
man.
You know, see, I just the artist like a pocket money that. But me so fucking real. Me tell you, say, give Jizzy the money. And you tell me, say, you go give my gas money, panny. So you don't know how the God give you 4 grand, panny. Me have my money in my pocket, you know, God, but no, me no watch that where you go just collect the money, Jizzy.
Yeah.
Me no response. I just you feel loyal with the money.
Real
You
son.
understand me, brother?
Yeah.
Me no could have tell the man, say, give me the money, man.
Yeah, man.
You see what me I say? But remember, you know, sometime, me sit down and me reason with them Brooks, me say, me, we are watch all the things for 20, 30 years, and the year if you make 31, me cut off your head.
Right away.
Because me that look for you, see yourself a long time,
Yeah, man,
and you
yourself.
can't see your blood clot
Right.
self. You understand me, brother? Yeah, man. So, me no want a man feel say, I just fool me, too cool. Yeah, I'm not glad
you
for
cool.
dash you for one
That's
bad.
right.
Because you will do 10 good to me and you don't do one bad, no, me forgive you. That I know nothing, brother. You understand me? Me not go dump you for that. And you know if you have a blood clot, do it. Remember me tell you, man. Yeah, man. Just loyal with me, brother, man, and I could live up, man. That's when me tell the man this morning, say, me know what you do that night there. Say, you thief me money that night there. Because me know how much money the man give you and when you tell me how much you get.
And then to know that.
Me not this with money, brother. Me just a look upon him and I laugh off of him. So you see, for the money when him did that thief me alone, uno wouldn't have to know. At the loyal when him not loyal. Because at the end of the day, now you thief me, but you still begs to me have my brother them around me and spend my money amongst them. And that hurt you. When why not that fear hurt you, God? And my brother then nah tell me say cat dash with Jizzy. We no like Jizzy. My brother then nah do that, you know, man. The man then will never do that if he cook one dumpling, the man them say we for Jizzy. You left for Jizzy. Everything the man them look for Jizzy, you know, man. So what them man ya do to you that's bad, Jizzy. Tell the crowd. Tell the audience where them man ya look from you. Cause the man ya look for you put on them pot on fire, you know. I just we feel loyal and know say the man them round and we make money and we make man get money. Where the blood clot you want money? Or you want live so God? And look at the man them brother product you use. And the man them brother you use, you know. And I make money, you know. And you know want the man them round me. Then who is you, Jizzy, for people see say you're not real? Then now you want to take me away from around them set of man here and carry me amongst one neither set of man. Me not have nothing against the other set of man. Me only have a problem with your behavior, Jizzy. So why you think me not come and go with you? Me just show you how you're not real. What happened to them set of man here where we spend my money and build the team already? Yeah, what happened to them? What happened to them? What the problem you have with them? Where you feel like say you have to go share your money with them, you will that will never, you not have to give my brother them nothing. Remember good. Yeah. Fuck do you man, you not have to give my brother them nothing, brother. You feel just not thief nothing away for me and take what for you. It's simple, you know, man.
No man, I'm going to say to buy my Smith.
Yeah, man beg him beer to make money, you know, God.
Never see a man beg.
Man beg him beer.
Yeah, but me never see a man.
And me see it happen and me I say, yo, that I know nothing call this man and me I tell him say, who make you sit down and wait for a man if he beg you a beer?
And a man should be begging.
And you know in yourself say you have the money and the man then give you the strength to make the money. So why when the money come in, you can't come in and say, you don't have a drink, brother? So blood clot easy, what hard in a that? Eh? Something wrong with that? So you are going like man, I beg you your blood clot money, so. A man will look on your card and say you're pussy. And say, yo, Jizzy, buy me a beer. Buy 2 beer.
Yeah.
Are you cause that for happen? No man nah do me that.
Never.
No man around me nah do that.
Never.
None of them man around me nah do that.
Never.
Remember good no man come and nah fi do that. A man will never do that. Member good. Yeah, man.
On the
So,
whistle.
I don't see where we are do
On the
Jizzy,
whistle
that's
and
bad.
weed. Come out of my round of weed. On the whistle and weed. But nothing else.
Nothing else, a
Come
man
on,
not
man,
tell
say,
myself
boy,
to buy
say,
them a
drink.
beer, brother. Cause I immediately me buy
Man,
and
get
drink
that
and
blood
smoke
clot, man,
and
get that money,
eat. Yeah.
Yeah, eat. Oh, yeah, blood clot drink.
But a man
Straight.
you see me put in the
Yeah,
energy,
man.
say, so when you come around, a man will say, yo God, buy me a beer.
Yeah.
And a man not really fear that you're not frightened for your night, you know.
wow.
A man know you're pussy and you live pussy life, monks with. What you mean? So my wife, a man tell you, say, yo, buy a beer, they not make enough money off a general. So what will that do? Hey. You're too hard and pussy will mean to man and go on like say people no see say you're not loyal. People have eye if you see. People have knowledge like how you know say for thief. People have knowledge if you say you're thief.
And you should not eat.
Alright, then left that to somebody when I have nothing no man or nah make nothing man. Who is you for your thief? Me. Your thief for wanna fear man, you see me I say?
Take one for you.
And you have to one.
Take one for you, quick.
You have to one, you know.
Man for just go man. The man for really go brother, remember me tell you.